Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix your YouTube Vanced. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to solve your YouTube Vanced not functioning on Android, try a few troubleshooting methods. For example, if you're gonna simply tap open your settings and simply scroll down below and go on your apps, you can find different kind of apps that are installed in your device. So simply search for your YouTube. So once you search for your YouTube app, you need to simply tap it open. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on force stop, which will allow you to restart this particular app. Otherwise, you can simply scroll down and go to your storage and delete your cache. So once you tap on clear cache, it will now simply delete your cache memory, which will allow you to optimize the battery and different kind of settings. So by doing this, you can simply fix your YouTube Vanced problem. However, if it does not solve it, then simply try to delete your app in particular and reinstall it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.